Hello everybody, I'm Tyler and I am here. Now I know I haven't been making a lot of videos lately. That's because I've been working on a new Lego puzzle box. And I have it here right now because I am finally finished and I'm here to show it off. So, the giant monster. I wasn't really looking for color, so just don't say mean stuff in the comments because I don't have that much colors to, for one whole color or a bunch of different colors for this. So here's the monster now. It's right here. You can see something right here. Something right here. This takes out of there. And some stuff over here. Okay, so your first step is to open this and you get this right here. So you can't push anything with your finger just too deep in, so you try to push this in here like this. Nothing happens, it doesn't go in there. So push it in here, you get this. There we go. Now this will fit in here. It pushes this little cartridge thing that holds the next key. There's this. Now, none of these holes work except, because I don't want to go in and push all the holes, except these two. So you push this, and then the roof is unlocked. If I can get a grip on it here, there we go. And it broke. Okay, so there we go. If this fits, okay, yes, okay. So now it's opened. This is all the space that you get. So, I am going to try to show you the mechanism of this. So, this is going to be difficult, so bear with me here. Hold on. Oops. That was an accident. Okay, good. Now, this. Okay, so, like this. Now let me just reload everything. Okay, so here's your mechanism. So, you take this. This comes out. This is just a little mailbox pieces, I call them. So, I'm filming with one hand here, so bear with me. So this fits in a little hole right here. Now, before I do that though, I will show you this, this right here. If you try to push it in, you can see like the little cartridge right in here. So, try to push this in. If I can see, and it doesn't work. So, get this out. Okay. So then this goes right here. And you push this in. So you have to kind of move it with your pinky a little bit because it's hard to push it in there all the way. So then you get this. Oh, going around there. So then this can go in here. So you push it in here, and this comes out. So you have this, the little cartridge right here, and this is very simple to make. This is holding on to the roof. This pushes in here, pushes this out. This goes in here. And it pushes this out. So then the roof can lift off to space. So yeah, I will see you later. Goodbye.